Welcome back. Well, for many places this evening, you saw the rain out there. However, currently we're looking in Scotland County, the place that recently saw the shower activity. The rain's gone, but we saw some heavy rain. In fact, right around Laurinburg, 1.5 to 2 inches estimated by the radar. So some ponding on the roadways. In fact, a flood advisory for use in effect until about midnight tonight. So just be careful if you have those driving plans. All in all, though, the rain is over with. We saw the scattered showers developing along the border belt and even in western portions of the PD this afternoon. Some heavy rain after some heavy rain and thunderstorms this morning, so kind of a soggy day out there as well as a gloomy day. Decent amount of clouds around this afternoon and mostly cloudy skies are in place this evening. And as we head into the upcoming days, in fact on your Sunday at least, do expect to see mainly cloudy skies with sunshine here and there, but all in all a good amount of cloud cover. And as far as the rain goes tonight, the rain's basically over with. However, by morning time, more showers will develop along the coast and move their way inland. Let's check out the temperatures. It is warm and it is very, very humid. Upper 70s in Florence as well as Conway. At the beach, lower 80s still. 82 in Myrtle Beach, 83 in North Myrtle Beach. And it's warm and it's also humid, as I mentioned, and a good indicator of the moisture around is our dew points. And here's our dew point values currently. They're in the low to middle 70s, but this afternoon and as we get into the afternoon hours, or what we saw last work week, dew points were in the mid to upper 70s. So very muggy out there, but some slightly better news for you on your Sunday. The low to middle 70s we're seeing tonight will stay with us during the day, which means it's going to be a little bit less humid, but not a whole lot, not a big noticeable difference. But at least that's some positive news. Let's check out the temperatures from our storm trackers today. Mid to upper 80s along the Grand Strand. Inland spots generally lower 90s, but Lumberton, where you saw more sunshine, up to 94 today. We'll continue to see those lower 90s inland, near 90 along the Grand Strand as we head into the upcoming days. So not as hot as what we saw last week, and that's certainly some good news. And your forecast headlines: cloudy out there tonight, very muggy, and perhaps some patchy fog in those inland spots that saw that heavy rain today. On your Sunday, a bit less humid, but still humid, with less rain in the forecast, just about a 20% shot with that rain in the morning, and then isolated showers, perhaps a thunderstorm in the afternoon. And then as we head into the upcoming days, rain chances staying on the low side, but as we head into the middle and end of the work week, rain chances increase again. Our rain chances as well as our clouds will be impacted from a frontal boundary that's very, very weak, but it's keeping the clouds around, and that's going to be the trend out there on your Sunday. But on Sunday as well, as I mentioned, it's not going to be as humid, and that's thanks to high pressure building in the upper levels of the atmosphere. We'll see that wind flow off of the water, which is why in the upcoming days we'll still see that chance for rain, but generally just isolated showers and thunderstorms. Some also positive news in the tropics. It is all quiet. Some moisture still along the southeast coast from remnants of Tropical Depression 5. And as we head into the upcoming days, some computer models indicate by mid, possibly end of the upcoming work week, a wave off the coast of Africa could be developing. So we'll keep our eyes on the tropics, but right now conditions are quiet. Future track tonight, so in cloudy skies out there, perhaps some patchy fog late night tonight. On your Sunday, some showers developing along the coast, perhaps along the border belt, working their way inland, and then just isolated showers around in the afternoon. Perhaps a thunderstorm, mainly just rain, and not as heavy rain as what we saw today. On Monday, a bit more in the way of sunshine and just isolated showers and thunderstorms, so not a lot of rain to deal with. Tonight, though, obviously we did see that rain earlier. Most of that is gone. It will be muggy with some patchy fog late night tonight. Down to 76 at the beach, 73 in Lumberton, and 74 in Florence. Let's check out your forecast for Sunday. 92 in Florence, 94 in Lumberton, near 90 at the coast. So similar to today with clouds around and also a few peaks of sunshine from time to time. If you have beach plans, a little choppy on the waters. Winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15. Here's your beach forecast over the next 7 days. A lot cooler than last work week, but by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we will see an increase in those rain chances from a frontal boundary. It's probably not going to cool us down a lot, staying steady near 90. Inland spots topping out near 92 on Sunday, a little warmer near the border belt. And then Monday and Tuesday, rain chances staying low to start off the work week, but hot and humid. And I guess we're used to that this time of year.
Yeah, so that's good. Over the next couple of days, it's going to be cooler, so that's certainly exciting.
Exactly. We saw those upper 90s last week.
Yeah.